Mr. Green?
Here.
Mr. Lyda?
Here.
Admiral Natter?
Here.
Mr. Skelton?
Here.
Mr. Smith? Mr. Wright?
Here. We can stand for the invocation and a lot of
Let us pray. Lord, thank you for the gift of a new day. As we begin this week, open our minds and our hearts that we may know and understand the path you would have us take. Give us the tools we need to do your will so as to give glory and honor to your name. Hear the prayers of all of us here tonight. Be near to those who are suffering. Shower your peace on those who are anxious. We ask your blessings and protection upon our military and their families, and bestow your wisdom and guidance on this mayor and council in their service to the citizens of this city. In your name we pray. Amen.
Amen. I pledge allegiance to the
flag of the United States of America, to the republic which stands one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Mr. President, I got a couple of Boy Scouts up back there. You want to stand up and tell us your name, what troop you're in? You can do it from right there. Right there is fine. Okay, Hunter, what troop are you in? Okay. Who's your buddy with you? Well, good. Are y'all working on your communication badges? Citizenship. Okay. We're glad to have y'all here tonight.
Mr. President, it's my understanding that place number 1, council place, has been vacated by the resignation of Dr. Locke. And it's my pleasure to nominate an individual who I've known for a number of years, has been a citizen of Hoover for over 44 years, been a member of the Planning and Zoning Board, also the BZA, probably attended more council meetings, all of us combined. And individual of unquestionable integrity, an independent individual, has no agendas, but it's my pleasure to nominate Mr. Joe Reeves.
Second. I have a motion to second. Any discussion from the council? Hearing none, clerk will call the roll.
Mr. Green?
Aye.
Mr. Lyda?
Aye.
Admiral Natter?
Aye.
Mr. Skelton?
Aye.
Mr. Wright?
Aye. That's unanimous. Mr. Reeves, if you come down. We just have to have Judge Bishop. We want you to meet him.
It's my pleasure to swear you in.
He's the best city judge in this state, and even wrote the book on it.
Yes, he did.
If I can just get my robe on. What happens when you get old?
I'll need some accessorize in here.
Mr. Reeves, I'm proud to do this. It's a real pleasure.
Bonnie did it. Miss Reeves,
A lot of respect.
y'all would like to come down too, that'd be fine. Come on down.
You get her down.
Bonnie Reeves, Joe's wife right there in front side.
Let's put your right hand on this
You
Bible.
come back behind Joe later.
Raise your right hand. You'll just repeat after me, and I will go slow. So, Mr. Joe Reeves.
Yes, sir.
It's my pleasure to swear you in, and if you will just repeat after me. I, Joe Reeves,
I, Joe Reeves,
solemnly swear that I will support the Constitution of the United States
I solemnly swear that I will support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of Alabama,
and the Constitution of the State of Alabama,
so long as I continue a citizen thereof,
so long as I continue a citizen thereof,
and that I will faithfully and honestly discharge the duties
and I will faithfully and honestly discharge the duties
of the office upon which I'm about to enter,
of the office upon which I am about to enter,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
so help me God.
so help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
stand there, come get a group picture with everybody. Yeah, you wanna move, y'all wanna move over a little bit right behind them, so I can get everybody? Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
We have a chair up here for you, Mr. Reed. Good, thank you. We'll put it right here, Al. Tracy. Right here, Tracy. Reed, if you'd like to say a word or two, that'd be appropriate.
I feel very honored and humbled at this council let me join them and to help them make the city of Hoover a better place for all of us to live and work and locate our business. And this is a great council right here that I'm joining, and I appreciate being included in it.
Thank you, Mr. Reed. All of you received a copy of the minutes of the January 20th meeting and the January 29th, so I take a motion.
Mr. President, move that minutes of January 20th of 2015 regular meeting and January 29th, 2015 work session be approved without reading.
Second.
I have a motion second, any discussion from the council? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, nay. Minutes are approved. Resolution 52-24-15, Mr. Walden.
This resolution authorizes the Birmingham Water Works Board to install fire hydrants in Kirkman's Reserve Phase 4 subdivision at the intersection of Road Y and X at Lot 210 and also on Road X between lots 218 and 219.
Mr. President, I move for approval of resolution number 5224-15.
Second. A motion is second, discussion from the council. Discussion from the audience. Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, nay. Resolution is approved. Resolution 52-25-15, Mr. Walden.
This resolution authorizes Mayor Ivey to execute an addendum to the original claims service agreement with Hill Administrative Services dated February 1, 2003.
Mr. President, I move for approval of resolution 5225-15.
Second. A motion is second, discussion from the council.
Mr. President, Mr. Payton, are these the same individuals that we worked with over the years?
Yes, sir.
What communications have you had with individuals who do the same type of work, and why does the city want to continue this particular firm?
Well, we've had Hill Administrative Services, actually since 2003. And we have, talked to others and tried one on an interim basis, and quite frankly, we just weren't getting good service. We're getting what we consider to be good professional service, for Hill. They probably go outside the scope of their agreement in working with us, and we feel like they're a good professional organization, and that's who we recommend.
Thank you.
For those that haven't been to many council meetings, we had a work session Thursday night where all these items were discussed thoroughly. So that's why it might look a little brief. I just noticed, do we have another scout here with us? Go walk in. You stand up and tell us your name, what troop you're in.
Chris now, Troop 21.
Okay, good to have you, Chris. Okay, I have a motion and a second. Any further discussion from the council? Any from the audience? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, nay. Resolution passes. Resolution 52-26-15, Mr. Walker.
This resolution authorizes the mayor to execute a standard project resolution maintenance agreement with the Alabama Department of Transportation for sidewalks along Preserve Parkway from Sulphur Springs Road to Preserve Town Center.
Mr. President, move for approval of resolution 5226-15.
Second.
Motion second, discussion from the council.
Mr. President, I wasn't here Thursday night, so I didn't get a chance to ask questions, so likewise, ask him a few questions. What's the split, Mr. Pate, between the state and the city on this?
80, 20, 20% should be 80% state.
So approximately, how much does that amount to, other percentage?
Our current budget is $800,000 from federal or the state, $200,000 from the city.
Think it'll come in under budget?
We hope it will, yes, sir.
Thanks, Tim.
Additional questions from the council? Questions from the audience? It'd be on the north side of the preserve, going from the town hall towards Metropolitan Stadium, be on the right side. If you're coming from Hoover High School, it'd be on the left side. Any comments, questions from the audience? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, nay. Resolution approved. Resolution number 9, will be two resolutions, 5227, 5228, that will take in unison, Mr. Walter.
These resolutions are remaining on the same subject matter. They authorize the mayor to execute agreements with the Alabama Department of Transportation for replacing and upgrading street lighting on US Highway 31 from Hoover River to Patton Chapel Road. These projects are a result of the recent Highway 31 widening. 80% of the total cost of the project will be federally funded, and the remaining 20% match contributed by the city. Resolution number 522715 authorizes the mayor to execute a preliminary engineering agreement for this project, and 522815 authorizes the mayor to execute a construction agreement related to the project.
Mr. President, I move for approval of both resolutions 5227 and 5228.
Second.
I have a motion second, discussion from the council. Discussion from the audience. Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, nay. Both resolutions are approved. We have change order number 2, Hoover Fire Station number 1 addition. Let's take a motion on that.
So moved.
Need a second.
Second.
I have a motion second, discussion from the council.
Mr. President, I stopped by Station 1 Saturday afternoon and took a look at their work, and the men at the station are very proud of what's been done. If you haven't had an opportunity to go by and look at it, I would encourage you to. It really, really looks good.
Additional comments from the council? Comments from the audience? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, nay. Change orders approved. Take a motion on ABC application for Shamia LLC for 50 retail beer off premises only, and 70 retail table wine off premises only to Sunny Food Mart, 3069 Highway 150. This is a change of ownership.
Mr. President, I move for approval of the application.
Second.
Motion second, any discussion from the council? Any from the audience? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, nay. Motion's approved. Motion for ABC application 140 special events retail for Gemco LLC doing business in Beef O'Grady, St. Patrick's Day celebration to allow special events to be held on March 14th at Beef O'Grady's, it's 519 Grove Boulevard.
Mr. President, I move for approval of the application.
Second.
Motion second, any discussion with the council? Any from the audience? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, nay. Motion approved. Set public hearing for Monday, February 16th at 6. Ryan Hallmark of Hallmark Buildings for the Rock and Roll Sushi, requesting conditional use, fresh retail liquor, and Fred Justin, Slice Pie LLC, is requesting conditional use approval for the sale of retail beer and pie pizza company located at 741 Chase Lake Circle. This property is owned by Chase Lake Station. And setting a public hearing for Monday, March 2nd, to consider the request of Ms. Bethany the Shopping Center Group LLC for conditional use approval to allow the operation of the Children's Indoor Play Center to be named Let's Play at 5025 Highway 280 South, Suite 102. Property is owned by Third Creek LLC. Payment of bills.
President, I recommend payment of bills as submitted.
Need a second? Got a motion second. Any comments, questions from the council? Any from the audience? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, nay. Please pay the bills, Mr. Davis. Comments and questions from the council?
this opportunity. What I'm here tonight for is,
Need your name and address for the record.
Pardon?
Need your name and address for the
Oh,
record.
I'm Woody Comer. That's Woody, spelled W-O-O-D-I-E, Comer, C-O-M-E-R. I live at 321 Bedford Avenue in the Bluff Park here at Hoover. Lived there for 32 years this past December, and really like it here. What I'm here for is about the proposal for the bus service to route from Bessemer to Hoover and back. And I just would like to state to everyone that I am in favor of mass transit, not just that particular route, but any others, maybe into downtown Birmingham and other places. I have visited like Washington D.C. and Seattle, Washington, and San Francisco, California, those three places, for instance. They really do have great mass transit, and I wish this area would get on the board with that and would help. I think that'd relieve a lot of traffic congestion. And I personally know about 3 people who cannot drive due to physical disabilities and so forth, and I think a mass transit system would really help them because they have to depend upon one guy's wife, or really 2 of them, their wives, and one gentleman, he has to depend on neighbors and friends to carry him wherever he has to go. So that's my main concern, is that hopefully there will be favorable votes and thoughts given to approving the mass transit route from Bessemer to here and possibly expanding it at a later date to more areas. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Additional comments and questions from the audience? Seeing none, we're adjourned.